Hello viewers, let me present you Harlod Colman 70-year battery. So this is a different way of free energy generation. So let me get back to the image and show you what I prepared for you. Okay, now you can see on the image the 3D model of the supposed generator. So I'll explain. So we have several components here. So why it's called a 70-year battery? Because in this system we are expecting that energy will be produced for 70 years, and it's a very simple system. So let me show you. Okay, you can see we have a 300 megahertz transmitter. So this is the device which will transmit radio waves at 300 megahertz onto this on this solenoid, yeah? So this here. And what will this do? Yeah? So you can see this transparent blue part inside of the core of this electromagnet. Is that exactly? So inside of this electromagnet will be the glass cube glass tube, and in this tube will be something what will I explain right now. So in this tube we need to have the three materials. So one is the cadmium, second is the phosphor, and third one is cobalt. So what will this do? Yeah? So why we need these three materials inside of this tube, this transparent blue tube? So it's very simple. So we have 300 megahertz transmitter, you can see on the bottom, and we will transmit this radio waves onto this tube, so that one material of these three I mentioned before, so cadmium, phosphor and cobalt, become radioactive. So when one material becomes radioactive, then he will produce heat with another material. So exactly how this works and which material does which, I cannot say. You have to read in the patent. But basically the idea is that so how it's supposed to work, yeah? So, and why this is a free energy code. So patent describes that once you have let's say charged these particles inside of this tube with the radio waves, for 15 seconds to 30 seconds you get on this plus and minus, you see on these poles, you get 10 amperes and 100 volts for 1 hour. So that means that this is battery which gives 1 kilowatt per hour, and to work you need just 15 seconds of radioactive emissions on this cadmium, phosphor or cobalt. So this chemical reaction creates heat between materials, and with the thermocouple we get the electricity. And that's basically it. This is a very interesting design. I do not recommend maybe to replicate this at home, because we have a radioactive reaction here, and if something goes wrong you can get hurt, I think, but I did not make an experiment, so I'm not expert in chemistry. But basically that's the idea. So we have the radio transmitter, so we are charging the particles inside of this transparent tube, and when when one material becomes radioactive, it creates heat in the thermocouple, and this thermocouple creates then current, and we have a free electricity. So this is it. This is the Harlod Colman 70-year battery. He says in his patent that it is expected that this battery will work for 70 years in such a closed system. And only thing what we need to do, we need to have a timing system which will transmit 30 seconds of 300 megahertz to this tube to give 1 hour of 1 kilowatt power. So this is it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize if I make some mistakes in my speech, because my native language is not English, but it's Croatian. But anyway, I will continue to do this kind of videos so that we have one global source of free energy at one place. So thanks for watching. Until next video, bye bye.